Hi, it's Amy with WTI. If you're looking for an office chair, this one by Flash Furniture is a great one to consider. I was initially drawn to it because it looks so nice, but I have to say it has exceeded my expectations in its comfort and performance. I love the crisp, clean, white, soft faux leather. Combined with the chrome, it looks very stylish and gives my office space a modern and bright feel. I wanted a high back chair, and this gives my back the perfect amount of support. The seat cushion is nice and comfortable, and I like that when I'm resting my arms, there's a cushion on the armrests as well. The chair can swivel and tilt. Another thing I absolutely need to have is an adjustable height. That feature works beautifully. It makes a big difference having my feet completely resting on the floor and not dangling because the chair is too high. It was pretty easy to assemble. It made for a nice father-son project. I am extremely happy with this chair. It's comfortable, it's very well made. You can adjust the height, and it looks very classy while brightening up my office space. I love it, and I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.